All right, everyone, we are going to take some 2 to 3 day old bread and we are going to turn this into some breadcrumbs. Keto friendly. That way we can use them to top a macaroni and cheese, or we can include it in a keto friendly meatloaf, or we can use it to fry. So these biscuits I made about 2 days ago, but they're still a little bit too soft. So what I'm going to do is I am going to cut them into cubes and I'm going to put them into an oven for about 15 to 20 minutes to dry them out a little bit more. And the oven has been preheated to 375 degrees. And again, probably about 15 to 20 minutes, these will be ready. All right, these are out of the oven. They have toasted. I'm gonna let them cool. And once they're cool, then I am going to use my NutriBullet to grind them into our breadcrumbs. All right, now that these have cooled, I put them into the NutriBullet and we are going to grind them until we have the breadcrumb consistency that we want. Okay, give it a shake and continue to grind. Okay, everyone, these are now ready. So let's go ahead and take them out of this container and we're going to put them into an airtight container and store them in the refrigerator. Look at that. Some perfect breadcrumbs. And because these are fresh and there's no preservatives in them, they should last in the refrigerator for about 1 week. And there you have it. Fresh, keto-friendly breadcrumbs to use for your next cooking project. But you guys, enjoy.